Hi and hello everybody. In today's video I wanted to address the question that I always get, and the question is, how do I use my color palette? Like, how many colors do I pick up from every palette there is available in my book or in the bundle? How many complementary colors do I choose, and how many pencils I use when working on another project, on a new project? And don't get me wrong, these are all important questions and they will have a major impact on how your finished page looks like. But for me, working with my color palette is all about feeling good and feeling comfortable and experiencing some kind of sensory pleasures. When I start a page or any other project, I ask myself, how do I feel? And how would I like to feel in a couple of minutes? And what am I missing? And only when I ask myself these questions and provide answers, I am ready to, pick up the right color palette and start a new project, a coloring page, or whatever it is that I'm doing. I do not want to turn this video into a spiritual session, but colors and coloring definitely have a transformative power. So I definitely recommend to start by asking yourself, how do you feel? How am I feeling at the moment? And how do I want to feel in a couple of minutes? And if you need an inspiration, every single color palette that I make has this section of emotional impact right here in the second line. So if you are looking for an answer and expecting some guidance, it is right here. So you can, browse through the color palette book or bundle that you have, and maybe this way it will be the most convenient for you to choose the right color palette for you. I live in Poland now, and it's been really foggy and gloomy for the last 24 hours. And what I need today is definitely some warmth, nourishment, and comfort. And before I decided to use this yummy color palette inspired by red curry coconut soup to finish my next coloring project. It's a brand new book, so as you can see, there are no swatches of my color pencils here yet. I will do it in a moment to, catalog my pencils thematically. So next time I'll be looking for this shade of red or even this entire color palette. I will, already know what colored pencils to look for straight away. I will not play jackpot here, and I will use the color charts that I make for every single colored pencil that I get to find the best match for every single color in my color palette and for every single complementary colors that you can see here. When I'm looking for the best matches, of course I am looking for a perfect match, but most often it is simply not possible. So I can be either content with like 90 or 95% of a match, or like this case, in case of my curry red, which is quite tricky, I might probably do layering of two shades of red that I found useful for this very color. I'm sorry guys, I thought that I was recording and I did already swatched these two pencils right here, but so you know what I do exactly. It's like I'm gently applying a light layers of each color, just to see how these colors blend and what is the overall vibe of this mixture. And as I'm getting more and more confidence that this combo is working, I'm applying a little bit more pressure. But you know, just my thing. Okay, and now that the colors are down here, I will catalog the pencils I use for this specific blend. So I used Brute Thinner pencil number 79 and 007. Okay, let's go to the next color. And now that I have identified all my colored pencils that I wanted to find, and I decided to use all the colors from the basic color palette and 2 colors from the complementary color section, this soft lavender color and ocean blue, to make, you know, specific elements of my coloring page pop up. Let's go to my next coloring page, and today I will be working on this beautiful book of Hannah Carlson, and I have already marked the page that I wanted to start today. It is this page. Okay guys, I am about to start this page. I'm working with nothing but these 8 pencils, 8 colored pencils. I might want to add some darker and lighter shades of each color as I progress, but I'm not sure if it will be necessary. So, you know, I will start coloring and we'll see how it goes. I will let you know. I will try to make a time-lapse video of coloring this page if the lighting is favorable. We'll see. If you have any more questions related to my color palettes, how to use them, where to find them, please write all the questions in the comment. I will surely address all your concerns and doubts. You can find my color palette books on Amazon and some printable bundles on Etsy. If you liked the color palette I used in today's video, Red Curry Coconut Soup color palette, it comes from this book, Autumn Delights color palette book, but there are also other books on Amazon. The Halloween collection of Halloween color palettes and summer themed color schemes and pastel reverie, so there is plenty of palettes to choose from. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If yes, please like, subscribe and comment. Definitely write any questions that you have, and you know, until next time, stay safe. Bye bye.